Hello friends, welcome to a colorful episode of our drawing demonstration video. 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 2s are 8, but here these 4 2s create the picture of two birds sitting together. Okay, so we are drawing pictures on rainbow scratch paper in this video. Again, we write 3, 3, 3, 3. 4 3s are 12. Here, these 4 3s make the picture of a fish. We don't have to color this picture because we are drawing it on rainbow scratch paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can also add 11. So from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 11, we have created the picture of a wonderful bird. Now 2, 7, 3 here, and then a 3, again 3, so we have the picture of a duck. Okay, so we have created the picture of a duck from the numbers. Then here is a picture of a bird, and you can notice that we are not taking the pen up, so it is drawn using a continuous stroke. Okay, the legs are drawn with a different stroke. What is this? This is the picture of a fish. This is a simple fish. You can draw this within a few seconds. Okay, and we can draw a similar fish at the bottom also. The shape of fish resembles but are different fishes. Okay, as you can see, both are different, and the color is also different. That is this feature of the rainbow scratch paper. Here, in this picture, we have written 3, okay, in an inverted and straightforward way. 3 times there are 3, and we have made that picture of a bird. Okay. Now, this is the picture of a hen eating it. It's the hen eating worms, sometimes on grains in the ground. That's it. Okay. This is also very colorful. Here is a 9 and 6. From the numbers 9 and 6, we can make the picture of 2 birds sitting near to each other on a branch of a tree. Okay, so the first bird has been drawn, and now we're drawing the second bird, and its tail is now being drawn. Then we can draw the branch on which the birds are sitting. And now this is becoming 2 fish facing each other, traveling in opposite directions. So 2 wave-like lines are converted into the picture of fish. Wonderful, right? It's very lovely also. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. It can be transformed into the picture of a parrot. We can draw its legs, and this parrot is sitting on a branch of a tree, and its leaves are very good. So thank you for watching.